everybody, welcome back to Stronger Yoga. We're making your practice, your poses stronger with Shalisa. I'm Scott. So today we're going to focus on one of the last poses in this series. This is a great release for your glute. And this is called Standing Half Lotus pose. You're standing, doing lotus, but only on one side. Standing Half Lotus. But what this pose is really great at is giving your glute the stretch that you would normally get in pigeon pose without having to break down your flow and get your body to the floor. So what we're going to have Shalisa do is place her ankle on her thigh. And one of the key takeaways here when she begins to squat and pull her hips back is, what does the knee want to do? Well, it just wants to sag right down towards the floor. And that means her hips are going to start to turn, and that means this hip is going to drop. In other words, your knee tells you what your hip is doing. And if your knee is dropping, so is your hip. So we're going to have Shalisa turn around just so that we can take one more look at that. And we're going to go butt to the camera there, Shalisa. Now, she's going to cross her ankle to her thigh. Let's take one more look at that. If she allows her knee as she squats and bends this knee to sink, you can see what her hips are doing. Now, here's the fix. Thanks, Shalisa. We're going to actually turn to this camera here and do the pose one more time. So she's going to come into her standing half lotus, and she's got her hand on her ankle, and she's literally going to try to press her ankle down onto her thigh. Simultaneously, she's going to place her palm on the outside of her knee and literally lift her leg up. And you don't need to manually manipulate your body with your arms so much as we want to understand that we want this shank to be diagonal to the floor, because your knee lifting tells you your hips are neutral. She could take her hands off of her legs and bring them into more of a prayer namaskar position, as long as this knee is actively lifting by pressing ankle to the thigh. If we want to engage the calf a little bit more, she can point her big toe at that other wall, right? But we can see here, this last thing we want to take a look at as we come up is that she's not rounding her back into that turtle shell we've talked about. She's actually lifted at the collarbones. The hip bones go back. The glutes lift up. So there's a nice slope here at the lumbar. She's fully engaged through her spine. That's how you make your posture stronger, your poses stronger, your practice stronger. Shalisa, what would we do without you in series 1 of this series? I don't even know. This is Stronger Yoga. Thanks for checking out this video. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today on Dandayamana Ardha Padmasana, Standing Half Lotus. My, what a mouthful. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave us a like, drop us a comment, hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you're always up to speed on our latest content. Through these videos, we want to create a narrative structure on how to create a consistent home practice or get better as a yoga teacher. Thanks for watching these videos. We'll see you in the next one.